PoSH IC has created awareness, provided knowledge and understanding through the PoSH laws, Mastek policy and scenario-based learnings as well. This was all done through consistent fortnightly emails, office posters, in-person as well as virtual sessions, and most importantly, employees connects at different forums. IC also encouraged Mastekiers to take self-paced compliance courses to know more about PoSH laws and policies. In a nutshell, there are multiple initiatives which are taken by IC team to build an inclusive workplace. In my interactions with Mastekiers, they have appreciated the efforts of IC to build their knowledge and awareness on PoSH policies and laws. They have also highlighted that these efforts have created the positive and safe environment for each and every Mastekier, especially while working together, whether it is virtual or in person, as we call it as hybrid as well today. We have received feedback even from leaders for the IC's contribution at every location in India has generated positivity for every employee, contractual staff, and even clients who visit Mastek offices. And they found the place to work in a safer environment and also an inclusive workplace.